Hi, I am Saremy, and I've been sewing and drafting patterns for a long time, but now I want to share my skills with you. I may seem new to the home sewing scene, but I've actually been working in the garment industry as a designer and pattern drafter, and then I had my own factory where we manufactured a line of top-selling accessories that I designed. We made over 10,000 items every year, so I know what it takes to be fast. I like to use commercial sewing techniques combined with home sewing to make my process faster and easier. I like a nice finish and a great fit too. So I hope you join a live stream sometime or watch one of my videos. I'm here to help, experiment, fix mistakes, and have a great time. All the live streams are uploaded if you can't make it sometime, and if you want to support me, head to the description for a place to donate or become an ongoing supporter. Or you can check out the patterns I sell on my website. Speaking of my website, head there to learn all about all the projects we've made here together. There's been a lot of them, and we've already made over 500 videos, but we're just getting started. So join us on the live stream sometime. I hope to see you there. Happy sewing!